8 years old. I am in primary 1. When I enter my class, I see a big tree on the wall, and I saw the days of the week. I like my new classroom. I like the painting and the drawing.
I am in basic 6. I am 9 years old. Before, our toilet was broken. We can't flush. We always stay outside. We don't normally use the toilet. It's always irritating, but now that our toilet is fixed.
On behalf of Hope Nursery and Primary School, I'm here to say a very big thank you for renovating our classroom. The paintings are beautiful. The classroom are conducive.
I'm here to appreciate Special Youth Leadership Foundation for all the amazing work that they have done in my school. The first thing they did was to help me to renovate the library, and they came back again. They helped us to renovate a block of 4 classrooms. They refurbished the chairs. They also gave us new chairs. We are really grateful for this. On behalf of the teachers, the parents and pupils of Hope Primary School, I want to say thank you to Special Youth Leadership Foundation for all the amazing jobs that they have done here.
Thank you, Special
Foundation.
May God bless you.